Unlock your business's growth potential by mastering Google Ads from the ground up. Let's get your first campaign live and driving customers. First, head over to Google.com and click Start Now. You'll typically begin in Google's Smart Mode. While this is simplified, we want full control, so look for the link that says Switch to Expert Mode and click it. Once in Expert Mode, you'll see your main dashboard. To begin, click the prominent blue New Campaign button. Now, select your campaign objective. For most businesses starting out, sales or leads are excellent choices to drive direct results. If your primary goal is to get more people to your website, choose website traffic. Next, choose your campaign type. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the most common and effective for new advertisers. Search. This means your ads will appear on Google search results pages. Targeting is crucial. Click locations and enter the specific geographic areas where your ideal customers are. You can target countries, states, cities, or even a radius around your business. Under demographics, you can refine your audience by age, gender, household income, and even parental status, if relevant to your offering. Every campaign is made of ad groups. Give your first ad group a name that reflects the specific product or service you're advertising. Then, enter relevant keywords. Think about what your customers would type into Google to find you. Now, it's time to write your ad. You'll have several headline fields and description fields. Make your headlines compelling and relevant to your keywords, and use your descriptions to highlight your unique selling points and include a strong call to action. Budget management is key. Under budget, set your average daily budget. This is the amount you're willing to spend per day. Google will never exceed your average daily budget by more than double without your permission. Finally, choose your bidding strategy. For beginners, maximize clicks can be a good starting point to get traffic, or you can opt for manual CPC to have more direct control over your bids. Review all your settings carefully and then hit that Publish Campaign button. Congratulations! You've just set up your first Google Ads campaign. Remember, consistent monitoring and optimization are vital for ongoing success. Subscribe for more actionable digital marketing tips.